Once you are in the habit of following a routine, kitchen tasks will happen like clockwise. Meal ideas that are written out in advance turn out to be a big help. It lets us buy things you need a day before. Even the preparation for a dish you want to cook later in the week can be done early. No matter how busy you are, there are some kitchen tips that make your life a little easier by saving precious time and money. Making things simple should be the key for all of us. Little tips I am going to share with you today will definitely help you save time and also make you more organized. A well planned scheme of things will ensure that every second in the kitchen optimized and it won't feel like work at all. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. While working in kitchen, we always need cutleries like spatulas and spoons at the time of cooking. So make sure the place where we keep our cutleries has to be near to our gas stove so that it becomes easy to grab at the time of cooking and it saves lot of our time. Sometimes we use wooden spoons and spatulas also. We can keep them separately on our countertop and you can use any jar to store these wooden spoons. They will remain organized, will look good also and will not look cluttered at all. We all have different types and shapes of knife for different purpose and mostly we keep them on counters for easy access. But my advice is to keep them away from countertop where children may grab them easily. I prefer to keep them on my windowsill in a ceramic bowl and it's easy for me to take from my window anytime I need and it is also away from the counter. Avoid using this type of container which are very difficult to open and close and not even airtight. Use containers which are airtight and can be opened and closed easily without much effort and also keeps our food fresh for long time. Many times we waste our time to go to filter again and again and fill the glass of water and use it for cooking. Always keep a big bottle on your counter near your gas stove so that you can use it while cooking whenever needed. Also in some food we need to add hot water instead of normal water, so keep a thermos ready and filled with hot water and you can use it if you need while cooking. It will surely save lot of your time and energy. Don't you think all these bottles makes our countertop cluttered and takes up lots of space? I prefer keeping them in big container all together. This way you can keep them organized and cut on your mess. Also they will remain safe from dust and getting dirty. I would like to tell you about an awesome shopping app that is MeraLink website. Here you will get free delivery, free cash on delivery and easy returns and replacement in 5 days. Do check out the website for variety of home and kitchen products and you can avail many festive offers and discounts. You can also use WhatsApp link for shopping. Try to keep kids snacks and chocolates etc. on their level so that whenever they need to eat they can themselves take it without anybody's help, and you don't need to leave your work again and again just to give them those containers which are very difficult for them to grab. You can save lot of time and energy as kids are helping by doing their task themselves. In this way they will get to learn small things by doing themselves. Use drying mat whenever you are washing utensils. All those extra water will be soaked by the mat and will leave the space dry. Also, your dishes will dry soon. This way you are saving your time by not wiping the wet surface again and again. If you don't have a drying mat, you can use any towel like this and place all your wet dishes on the towel. It will work just like drying mat. Without spending money. You can create a drying mat and utilize old towels for this purpose. Try to keep your utensils pull-out or drawers near to your sink. It will save your time in placing them directly to the cabinets or drawers after washing. For storing ginger, coriander, chili, etc., you can use old tiffin boxes which we throw once they are old and not in use. Keep dry vegetables into these tiffins and then place them together in a basket. This way your fridge will also remain organized and you will save your time and money both. You don't need to buy any new container for these dry vegetables, and by keeping them together in a basket you can grab them together while cooking. I hope you liked all the tips I shared in this video today. Please consider subscribing my channel and thank you so much for watching all my videos.